Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in. Red hour receipt now.
Boss, let's go back.
Okay, here. Take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, child school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Draw me to pay. Help you make the most of your money. Need, send fire to pay. Draw me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
We are pleased to introduce you to our 3D Science application. 3D Science is an innovative science application designed to revolutionize the teaching of STEM, particularly biology, physics, and chemistry in the classroom. The application works offline, requires no internet after initial download, and is very affordable. We encourage school from basic level to tertiary and parents to engage us on how to benefit from the 3D Science application. The application is suitable for GES syllabus, Cambridge, and the American Common Core. For more info, contact Knowledge Resort on call or WhatsApp.
From Ghana to the rest of the world, taking you to many exciting destinations around the world. Our trained experts perfect every journey. We search for what's special. We find out what truly matters. We take your experience to another level and make you feel special. Fresh starts, new destinations, carefully selected hotels, and hand-picked attractions. We have touched millions of lives. with our world-class service and warm African hospitality. When others see restrictions, we see opportunity. Visas are no longer barriers. We don't see clients, we see family. We are global. We will continue to grow, to challenge and drive change and creativity in the tourism industry. Our dancer travels, feel life's beauty.
College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies, ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Want to collaborate visually during your Google Meet calls? Let's set it up in just a few simple steps. Click on Collaboration, then New Collab and hit Start. Next, click Sign in with Google Meet to link your board to a live session. Once you're inside your Google Meet, just click on Collab and sign in instantly. Start teaching, brainstorming, or collaborating live directly on the Collab board while your team or class follows along in real time. Once you're done collaborating, you can always save your work and access it anytime.
Hello, alumni around the world. We are JuPay Money Transfer, a remittance organization that makes it easy to send funds from USA, UK, and Canada to Ghana. Last year, we proudly sponsored the National Science and Math Quiz and supported schools through our promo code initiative. Indeed, it was an honor to visit the schools, the teachers, coordinators, and the brilliant students. We are excited to discover the amazing project the schools are going to use our presentations for. This year, we're excited to continue. For every use of your school's promo code, your alma mater receives $20 to support developmental projects and initiatives. Send money, support your school, and make a difference today. Meet a need, send via JuPay.
Dear Muggers, please download the JuPay app and use the promo code SCIENCE when sending money down to Ghana. Thank you.
Thank you, JuPay Money Transfer. Money, need, send fire JuPay. Charm it,
Hello, everyone. You are welcome to the 1/8 stage of the 2025 edition of the National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. This is the 16th contest at this stage, and in this contest we have Abetifi Presby Senior High School. Wesley Girls High School. And Kumasi Secondary Technical School. Let's meet the contestants. Abetifi Presby Senior High School is represented by
Abdul Gafar Noor,
Damina Gilbert.
Abetifi is coming through the prelim stage. Tell us about your experience at the prelim stage and what should we expect from you?
Okay, so at the prelim stage was a nice experience, and we hope that as we are moving on, we will be able to go through all our stages.
Okay, best wishes to you. Wesley Girls High School is represented by
Sarah Makosaji. Selassie Akosaji.
In this contest, Wesley Girls High School is a seeded school, and they are also coming in as Central Regional Champions. Tell us, Wesley Girls, how has preparations been towards the National Championship, and what should we expect from you?
The grace of the Lord took us through the regionals, and we believe that that same grace will take us to the nationals.
Best wishes to you. Our final school in this contest is Kumasi Secondary Technical School. They are represented by
Kwame Ekuokun Ketia.
Go ahead.
Kwame Ekuokun Ketia.
Christian Tufochum.
Okay. Kumasi Secondary Technical School is also coming through the prelim stages to this 1/8 stage. How was your experience at the prelim stage, and what should we expect from you?
It wasn't easy, but God sees us through. We are hoping that He will see us through this one too.
Okay, best wishes to you. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adansi Travels, Rwand Air, Kivo Gari, Spain City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP, and YFM. My name is Dr. Thelma Ohine J. I'm a senior lecturer at the School of Pharmacy, University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm your quiz mistress. This is a primetime production. Okay, some rules of engagement for the benefit of our schools. We'll have this contest in 5 rounds, and we'll start in round 1. In round 1, questions will be asked of you to test your understanding of concepts and theories in mathematics, biology, physics, and chemistry. If a question comes to your school and it involves calculations, you have 30 seconds to give an answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds. And for each question, you have 1 attempt at that question. So your answer comes in 1 attempt. A correct answer will earn you 3 points. An incorrect answer, there's no penalty. Another school can ring for that question and take it as a bonus. When a bonus question is answered correctly, or if a bonus question is answered correctly, the school earns 1 point. However, if it's incorrect, then there's a penalty point of 1. Also, you have to wait your turn for the bonus. Okay, so if you are ready, you believe that a school's answer is incorrect, you have to wait for me to rule on that question, or the school is bailed out, and then you can ring your bell, take that bonus, and the scores as I've already mentioned. Once again, best wishes to all the schools. In this round, I'll start with Abetifi Presby Senior High School. Okay, they have 30 seconds for this first question. Abetifi, how many neutrons are in strontium 92? Yes.
54 neutrons.
That's correct. Wesley girls, how many neutrons are in molybdenum 97? Yes, Serum.
5.
Again.
55.
That's correct. KSTS. How many neutrons are in 10, 121? Kwame.
71.
That's correct. A preamble. A uniform meter rule is balanced on a knife edge at the 50.0 centimeter mark, with mass M1 at the 10.0 centimeter mark and mass M2 at the 60.0 centimeter mark. Are we good with that? Okay. Abetifi Presby, find M2 if M1 equals 13.0 grams.
$52.0 grams.
No. A bonus to KSTS.
52 grams.
No. Wesley girls, find M1 if M2 equals 72.8 grams. Yes, Selassie. Into the microphone.
18.2 grams.
That's correct. KSTS. Find M2 if M1 is 22.4 grams.
$89.6 grams.
That's correct. So Abetifi, I have your answer as 54.0 grams. Abetifi's answer is correct. 52.0 grams. A preamble. Find the value of cos 2a given Abetifi sine A equals 3 on 5.
Seven on 25.
That's correct. Wesley girls, cos A equals 1 on 4. Yes, Wesley girls.
Negative 7 on 8.
That's correct. Kumasi Sec.Tech. Sine A equals 3 on 7. Kwame.
31 on 49.
That's correct. A preamble. Indicate how the given plane separates the human body. Abetifi Presby. Coronal plane.
Okay, so the coronal plane separates the body into an anterior and posterior part.
Yes, that's correct. Wesley girls, sagittal plane. Yes.
So the sagittal plane divides the body into left and right.
Yes, that's correct. KSTS, transverse plane.
The transverse plane divides the body into upper and lower parts.
Yes, that's correct. Or if you wanted to be a bit more scientific, you'd have said superior and inferior. Abetifi Presby. Nitrogen reacts with hydrogen to form ammonia. What is the maximum mass of NH3 that can be formed from 6.00 mole N2 and 9.00 mole H2?
$204 grams.
No. Yes, Wesley girls.
1.02 by 10 raised to an exponent of 2 grams.
Yes, that's correct. Wesley girls. Aluminium reacts with bromine to form aluminium bromide. What is the maximum mass of AlBr3 that can form from 1.2 mole Al and 2.4 mole Br2? Yes, Selassie.
3.2 times 10 raised to an exponent of 2 grams.
Yes, that's correct. Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch. Phosphorus trichloride reacts with chlorine to form phosphorus pentachloride. What is the maximum mass of PCl5 that can form from 2.00 mole PCl3 and 2.50 mole Cl2?
Okay. The mass is 355 grams.
No. Yes, Wesley girls.
4.17 by 10 raised to an exponent of 2 grams.
That's correct. A preamble. Give your answer in SI base units. Give your answer in SI base units. Abetifi. Find the change in kinetic energy of an electron accelerated through 250 volts.
Okay, it is equal to 4.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 17 joules.
No. Yes.
4.0 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 17 kilogram meter squared per second squared.
That's correct. Wesley girls. Find the change in kinetic energy of a proton accelerated through 450 volts. Yes, go ahead.
7.2 times 10 raised to an exponent of negative 17 kilogram to the power 1, meter to the power 2, second to the power negative 2.
That's correct. Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch. Find the change in kinetic energy of an alpha particle accelerated through 150 volts. Yes, go ahead if you are ready.
2.4 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 17 kilogram meter squared per second squared.
No. Yes, hold on. So when you ring the bell, you have to wait for your school to be called. Wesley girls.
4.8 by 10 raised to an exponent of negative 17 kilogram to the power 1, meter to the power 2, second to the power negative 2.
That's correct. A preamble. A preamble. Find a positive real number x from the given equation. Abetifi Presby. Log of the expression x minus 5 plus log of the expression x plus 3 equals log of the expression 2x minus 3.
X is equal to 6.
Yes, that's correct. Wesley girls. Log of the expression x plus 6 plus log of the expression x minus 5 equals log of the expression 3x plus 5. Yes, Selassie.
X is equal to 7.
Yes, that's correct. KSTS. Log of the expression x minus 3 plus log of the expression x plus 7 equals log of the expression 2x plus 3.
X is equal to, the value of x is positive 6.
No. Wesley girls.
X is 4.
Yes, x is 4. Our last set of questions for this round. A preamble. The histogen theory, as applied to the root apical meristem, describes 4 histogens in the meristem. Mention the region of the histogen to which the given description refers. Do you have that preamble? Again, the histogen theory, as applied to the root apical meristem, describes 4 histogens in the meristem. You are to mention the region of the histogen to which the given description refers. Abetifi, it is the outermost layer that gives rise to the root epidermis.
Okay, then it is the region of maturation.
No. A bonus. Okay, Wesley girls.
The calyptrogen.
Come again?
Calyptrogen.
No, no. Your own question. Wesley girls. It is the middle layer that gives rise to the cortex. The middle layer. Yes. Yes, and Wesley girls.
The periblem.
Yes, that's correct. Kumasi Sec.Tech. It is the innermost layer that gives rise to the stele, and this is STELE. Yes, Kwame.
The plenum.
Repeat that.
Plenum.
Yes, that's correct. Abetifi Presby, your answer was the dermatogen. And that brings us to the end of round 1.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP. Ufilia. Huh? Ubefi. Goil. Good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh.
Senior high school, 15 points. Kumasi Sec.Tech School, 16 points. Wesley Girls High School, 27 points. That brings us to round 2. And round 2 is the speed race. So in this speed race here, round 2, accuracy and your speed or your timeliness is what is being tested. So questions are read out to the schools at the same time. One question is for all 3 of you. The first school to ring their bell and gives a correct answer earns 3 points. The marks are graded. So if a second school answers at that point, it's worth 2 points. And then the last school, if they answer correctly, they get a point. At any time, if your answer is incorrect, you have 1 point deducted from the marks you already have. When you ring the bell, what it means is you are ready with an answer. That you are not calculating, you are not discussing your answer. So when you ring the bell, you have 3 seconds to compose yourself and give or start with your answer. And the answer doesn't start with Madam, the value is, Madam, we have a fraction. No. If you are doing that and the bell goes, I move on to the next school. Okay. And also, when you ring your bell, wait for your school to be called. So make the determination which is the first bell, call the name of your school, and either of you can answer. Are we good? The speed race is sponsored by Truster AI, your real-world experience. Yes. So our first question for the speed race. Wesley girls, if I started the question without bell, I would have allowed you to answer. Okay, so our first question. A solution of acetic acid has a density of 1.05 gram per cm cube and is 10.0% acetic acid by mass. If 5.25 grams of pure acetic acid is present in a sample of this solution, what is the volume? Yes, Wesley girls.
5.00 centimeter cube.
No. Yes, Abetifi Presby.
50.0 cm cube.
Yes, it's 50.0. Our next question. Give the simplest ratio of coefficients of reactants and products in the same order as in the given reaction. Silver sulfate plus copper 2 chlorate gives silver chlorate plus copper 2 sulfate when balanced. Yes, Abetifi Presby.
1:2:2:1.
Yes, that's correct. Determine the molar mass of 3-bromo-2,2,4,4 tetramethyl pentane. Pentane with an A. Yes, Abetifi.
Okay, so 204 grams per mole.
No. KSTS.
207 grams per mole.
Yes, that's correct. Find the values of tan X, for which Sec.X equals √5.
Tan X is equal to plus or minus √6.
No. Who rang the bell next? Yes, Abetifi.
Tan X is equal to 4.
No. Yes, Wesley girls.
Is equal to plus or minus 2.
Yes, that's correct. Okay. Two fair dice are thrown. Find the probability the total score is 5. Yes, Wesley girls.
We have a fraction with numerator 1 and denominator 9.
That's correct. So, Wesley girls, with that answer, if the bell had gone, I would have moved on. Because you can say 1/9 instead of saying fraction with numerator. Find the sine of the angle between the vectors A equals 2i plus 6j and B equals 6i plus 2j. Abetifi Presby.
Is equal to A plus 4/5.
Yes, that's correct. What is the name given to pollination of flowers by birds?
Ornithophilia.
That's correct. Mention the macromolecule whose absence leads to marasmus. Yes, Wesley girls.
Carbohydrates.
No. Yes.
Proteins.
Yes, it's protein. What name is given to the outer part of the wall of a pollen grain? Abetifi.
Exine.
Yes, it's exine. The potential energy function for a moving particle is given by V of x, y, z equals negative ax squared, where a is a constant. Give an SI unit for A. Abetifi.
A is equal to the SI unit kilogram meter squared per second. Yeah, per second.
No. Who else rang the bell? Kumasi, Sec.Tech.
Kilogram per second squared.
Yes, it's kilogram per second squared. Find the tension in the string of an ideal Atwood machine with 50 and 90 Newton weights. So 50 Newton and 90 Newton weights. Yes, Wesley girls. Wesley girls.
6 times 10 raised to an exponent of 1 Newton.
What did you say? What was the first value?
6.
No. Who else rang the bell? Yes, Abetifi.
6 Newton.
No. Yes.
30 newtons.
No. I have 70 newtons. Okay. So rank in increasing order of distance to the periapsis. Earth, Jupiter, Mercury, Neptune. Kumasi Sec.Tech.
Neptune, Jupiter, Earth, Mercury.
No. Abetifi.
Mercury, Earth, Jupiter, and Neptune.
That's correct. That brings us to the end of round 2.
energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will fill ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red out receipt now.
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
At the end, actually, let me address the corrections on screen because it went out. So in the speed race, there was a biology question about what major macromolecule leads to marasmus in children. And Wesley Girl said carbohydrates. I declined and accepted proteins from Kumasi Sec.Tech. But then carbohydrate deficiency actually can lead to marasmus in children as well, because marasmus is caused by deficiency of all the macronutrients. So carbohydrates is acceptable. So that answer has been accepted. Also, there was a question on an Atwood which had two weights, 50 and 90 newtons, and they were to calculate the tension. Wesley Girl said 6 by 10 to the power 1 newtons. I declined and said it's 70. But if you actually calculate, the answer comes to 64 newtons. And to one significant figure, 60 newtons is acceptable. So that answer is also accepted. That brings the scores at the end of round 2 to Kumasi Sec.Tech, 18 points. Abetifi Presby Senior High School, 28 points. Wesley Girls High School, 36 points. Before we go on to round 3, Wesley Girls would like Michelin. I hope I have the name right. Michelin. They would like Michelin to come on for Seram. Wait. They didn't say 6.0. Did you say 6.0? They said 6. I write it down. They said 6 by 10 to the power 1. I didn't say 6.0. So the answer is 60 newtons. And they said 6 by 10 to the power 1, which is 60 newtons. If they said 6.0, it's actually incorrect, because then that's two significant figures. So I write the answers down for this. Round 3. Round 3 is the problem of the day. And in this round, a common problem is presented to all the schools at the same time. They have 4 minutes to provide a solution on the screen. At the end of the 4 minutes, a bell will go indicating that they should take their seats. When you do that, I'll come to the screen and evaluate your solutions. Award marks. When I come to my seat, I'll present the solution from the consultant. And at that point, explain how the marks were awarded. In this round, if you're able to score a perfect score, which is 10 out of 10, you win some money from Prudential Life Insurance in what we call the NSMQ Star. The NSMQ Star at this stage is worth 2,400 Ghana cedis to the team, and it is proudly sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. Okay, so round 3. At this time, I would ask that you put your pens down, stand in front of your screens, and then you can take the sheet of paper which has the problem of the day. We'll read the problem of the day together. A 0.25 kilogram particle moving at 16 meters per second directly approaches a rigid wall and bounces off at 12 meters per second. The particle is in contact with the wall for 2.0 milliseconds. A. Determine the magnitude of the impulse of the average net force on the particle in the collision. B. Determine the magnitude of the average net force on the particle in the collision. And C. Determine the coefficient of restitution for the collision and use it to describe the nature of the collision. Start work. Okay, stop work. The schools have presented their solutions, and I'll present the solution from the consultant. So here they were given a 0.25 kilogram particle that was moving at 16 meters per second. And they were told it directly approaches a rigid wall and bounces off at 12 meters per second. The particle is in contact with the wall for 2.0 milliseconds. So they were to determine the magnitude of the impulse of the average net force on the particle in collision. They were to determine the magnitude of the average net force on the particle in the collision. And they were to determine the coefficient of restitution for the collision and use it to describe the nature of the collision. Okay, so the solution. The magnitude of the impulse equals the magnitude of the change in linear momentum of the particle, right? So I will be 0.25 multiplying negative 12 meters per second minus 0.25 multiplying 16 meters per second. This should bring you to 7.0 Newton seconds. You have 3 points if you're able to determine that. The magnitude of the average net force here is then impulse over the time. So 7.0 Newton seconds divides the 2.0 milliseconds. And that should give you 3.5 kilonewtons. Some of the students have smiles on their faces. I'm not sure why. So that will give you 3.5 kilonewtons. Okay. And the third one, since the wall is rigid, it means it neither moves nor deforms. So the coefficient of restitution will be the relative final velocity over the initial. And so this is negative 12 minus 0 over 0 minus 16. And this should give you 0.75. This is where I had a little challenge with the solutions from the students. And since the coefficient of restitution is less than unity, the collision is inelastic. So if you work through this, you have another 4, and you have 10 marks. The solutions from the schools. Wesley girls. They calculated A right, they calculated B right, they calculated C right, and somehow managed to leave a negative sign in front of the 0.75. That was the only part that they had an issue. They were able to state that the collision is inelastic, and so I have to penalize them for that negative sign. They have 9 out of 10. And so with that, it's clear that Kumasi, Sec.Tech.Sch and Abetifi Presby scored 10 out of 10. And so with that perfect score, Abetifi Presby Senior High School and Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch School both win the NSMQ star for this contest. Before we go on to round 4, Abetifi Presby would like Ishmael to come on for Gilbert. Okay. Round 4. Okay, thank you, Gilbert. Welcome, Ishmael. Round 4 is a true or false round. In this round, for each statement that comes to your school, you have to indicate if the statement is true or false. A correct answer will earn you 2 points. An incorrect answer, there will be a penalty point of 1. If you are bailed out, another school can ring for that question as a bonus. And here, they earn the same 2 points if they answer correctly. And there's a penalty point of 1 if the answer is incorrect. At stake in this round is the Jupe Money Transfer $20 promo, where Jupe Money Transfer will donate $20 per transaction when alumni send money using the Jupe Money Transfer. And for each transaction, the school gets $20 for developmental projects in their school. Alumni are encouraged to check the social media pages of the NSMQ for the exclusive promo codes of their schools and then send some money so that their schools can get the donation. In this round, I'll start with Abetifi Presby SHS. The solubility of gases in liquids increases with increasing temperature.
False.
Yes, it's false. Wesley girls, the solubility of gases in liquids is independent of the nature of the gas. Yes, Wesley girls.
True.
No, it's false. Kumasi Sec.Tech. Increasing the partial pressure of oxygen above water increases the concentration of dissolved oxygen in the water.
True.
Yes, that's true. Abetifi. The process of secondary growth in plants is controlled by the lateral meristems and is similar in both stems and roots. Yes, Ishmael.
True.
Yes, it's true. Wesley girls, secondary growth does not occur in monocots due to the absence of vascular bundles. Yes.
True.
No, it's false. Kumasi Sec.Tech. The combined actions of the vascular and cork cambium result in secondary growth, widening of the plant stem.
True.
Yes, that's true. A preamble, P and Q are simple statements. If the implication P implies Q is true, then Abetifi, P is true.
False.
Yes. Wesley girls, P is false.
True.
No. Kumasi Sec.Tech. Kumasi Sec.Tech. Q is false.
False.
Yes, it's false. A preamble. An object slides down a plane at constant velocity. Abetifi. The net force on the object equals the vector sum of the gravitational force and the normal force on the object.
False.
Yes, that's correct. Wesley girls, the net force on the object arises solely from the gravitational force on the object. Yes, Selassie.
True.
No. Kumasi Sec.Tech. Can we have some silence, please? The object is in equilibrium. Into the microphone.
True.
Yes, it's true. Abetifi Presby. A coenzyme is an organic non-protein compound that binds with an enzyme to catalyze a reaction. Yes.
False.
No, it's true. Wesley girls, a coenzyme can be removed from an enzyme easily because it is loosely bound to the enzyme.
False.
No. Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch. A coenzyme cannot can we have some silence, please? A coenzyme cannot function alone, but can be reused several times when paired with an enzyme.
True.
Yes, it's true. M and N are real numbers. Abetifi, if Mn is greater than 0, then M is greater than 0 and N is greater than 0.
False.
Yes. Wesley girls, if Mn is less than 0, then M is less than 0 and N is greater than 0. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch. If Mn is greater than 0, then M is less than 0 and N is less than 0.
So, true.
No, it's false. A preamble. The gravitational field intensity due to a uniform solid sphere. The gravitational field intensity due to a uniform solid sphere, Abetifi Presby, is greater at the center of the sphere. Yes.
False.
Yes, that's correct. Wesley girls, vanishes everywhere in the interior of the sphere. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch. Vanishes at the center of the sphere.
True.
Yes, it's true. Our last set of questions for this round. Abetifi, alpha decay decreases both the mass number and atomic number of a nucleus by 2 units. Yes.
False.
Yes, it's false. Wesley girls, in positron emission, a proton is converted into a neutron. Yes.
True.
Yes, that's correct. Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch. The half-life of a radioisotope is independent of its chemical or physical state.
True.
Yes, true. That brings us to the end of round 4.
Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah, yeah.
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh, it's in.
Red Hour receipt now!
Boss, let's go back.
Here, take this.
She's coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent. 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selenium.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charity school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all cost. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. You may draw you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Try me to pay. We hope you make the most of your money. Needs, send fire to pay. Try me to pay.
Jupe Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the Jupe app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the Jupe train. Jupe Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via Jupe.
Try me to pay.
At the end of the fourth round, the scores are Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch School, 41 points. Wesley Girls High School, 46 points. Abetifi Presby, 51 points. Round 5. In round 5, you'll be presented with a set of clues for 4 different riddles. And these clues are to help you solve for the riddle. If you give a correct answer on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Any clue thereafter, 3 points. If your answer is incorrect, there's no penalty. You stay out of that particular riddle and come back for the next one. In this round, if you're able to score 3 or 4 riddles correctly, you earn some money from goal. 3 riddles will earn you 1,200 cedis, and 4 riddles will earn you 1,600 cedis. This is what we call the Goil Riddle Bonanza, proudly sponsored by Goil, Good Energy. Okay, we know your bells work. Our first riddle: I am a fundamental concept in physics and chemistry. I am also a phenomenal aspect of plant biology that shows the complex interactions between plants and light. I have been important in the study of photosynthesis. In agriculture and horticulture, knowledge of me is essential for optimizing light conditions in controlled environments. Plant breeders and genetic engineers use information about pigments and me to develop crop varieties with specific characteristics such as drought resistance, pest resistance, or enhanced nutritional value. I am the pattern of bands or lines obtained by passing white light. Yes, Abetifi.
Line spectra.
No. I am the pattern of bands or lines obtained by passing white light through a selective absorbing substance into a spectroscope. Who am I? Yes, Wesley Girls.
Absorption spectra.
That's correct. Our next riddle. I am an equation. My domain is mechanics. I am associated with a physical law with a similar name to mine. I express the relationship between fluid flow rate. Yes.
Bernoulli's equation.
No. Wesley Girls.
Continuity equation.
Repeat that.
Continuity equation.
No. For Abetifi. So I express the relationship between fluid flow rate and relevant physical quantities. I equate volume flow rate of a fluid in a pipe to the product of pressure gradient and cross-sectional area squared divided by the product of 8 pi and dynamic viscosity. Who am I? Yes.
Poisson's equation.
Repeat that.
Poisson's equation.
No. So what I have here, I'm not sure we can say it's Poisson. So I have Poiseuille. Poiseuille. Our next riddle. I am an inorganic salt known for my vivid color. In labs and hospitals, I am used to clean and disinfect. I can remove stains and disinfect water. I am an oxygen-rich compound and hence very reactive in nature. I am one of the most powerful oxidizing agents known. I am prominent in redox titrations and have the formula K. Wesley Girls.
Potassium dichromate.
No. Go ahead, I'm listening.
Potassium permanganate.
That's correct. Our last riddle. I am an angle measure. Yes, Wesley Girls. No, repeat that.
Over 2 radians.
No. I'll continue. Let me continue. I am an angle measure. I am a reflex angle. My cosine is -2 on 2. Kumasi Sec.Tech.Sch.
You are pi on 2 radians.
No. That's what they said. Oh. My cosine is minus root 2 on 2. I am measured in radians. My tangent is 1. Who am I? Yes, Abetifi.
3 pi over 4.
No. 5 pi on 4. That brings us to the end of round 5. Thank you for joining us for this contest. We look forward to join you for our next contest. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Momo from MTN, Joy News, Pepsodent, Prudential Life Insurance, Jupe Money Transfer, Truster AI, Adanse Travels, Roand Air, Kivo Gary, Spain City Laundromat, Coronation Insurance, Secure Sanitary Pad, Accra College of Medicine, Academic City University, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Imago from Hashcom, GTP and YFM. At the end of the contest, the scores are Kumasi Secondary Technical School, 41 points. Wesley Girls High School, 49 points. Abetifi Presby Senior High School, 54 points. With that score, Abetifi Presby Senior High School qualifies for the quarter-final stage of the competition. Congratulations. Well done. Better luck next time to Kumasi Secondary Technical School and Wesley Girls High School. The school with the highest score for the day will win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award. And at this stage, it is worth 2,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Thelma Hineje, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production.
Good energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP will feel ya, huh? Will be feel. Goil, good energy. Yeah.
She's coming. She's coming. coming.
I know. Go to the pharmacy now.
She's coming. Oh. She's here.
Pay faster, pay safer, and pay easy with Momo app. Download now and pay with the QR code, merchant ID, and so much more.
Ow. Let me see.
She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely. Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling True. You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey, child school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Adwa, listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Fast and easy. Try me to pay. Help you make the most of your money. Needs and fire to pay. Try me to pay.
JUPE Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the JUPE app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupe.co. Download the app to join the JUPE train. JUPE Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via JUPE.